Hello everyone, welcome to the 72 Dragons Health channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio. We're here at the World Health Assembly 2024, eager to delve into the latest advancements in global health to connect with health professionals and advocates from all around the globe. This year, the focus is on the theme All for Health, Health for All. Today, we will discuss the vital topic of mental health and its prominence at the World Health Assembly 2024. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, mental health conditions affect 1 in 4 individuals globally at some point in their life. Yet, mental health remains one of the most neglected areas of public health. By recognizing this issue, the World Health Organization is committed to accelerating progress toward better mental health for all through strategic objectives and initiatives. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, mental health conditions can result from factors such as adverse childhood experiences, chronic medical conditions, biological imbalances, substance use, and social isolation. Mental health is crucial for overall health, as mental and physical health are interlinked to conditions such as depression and the increasing risk of chronic diseases. Enhancing mental health services can lead to improved health outcomes, reduced healthcare costs, and better quality of life. By addressing mental health with the same urgency and resources as physical health, we can break down barriers, reduce stigma, and foster a more inclusive approach to healthcare. At the 2024 World Health Assembly, mental health is a key focus area, marking a significant step forward in global health priorities. The World Health Assembly is advocating for stronger mental health policies, increased funding for mental health programs, and the integration of mental health into universal health coverage. During the 77th World Health Assembly, a side event titled Resilient Futures, Mental Health and Psychosocial Support for Children, Youth, and Caregivers in Emergencies, highlighted the objective of prioritizing mental health across all stages of emergency, preparedness, response, and recovery, spotlighting proven strategies and areas for improvement. As we delve deeper into the highlights of the World Health Assembly in the coming days, let us remember the significant advancements and collaborative initiatives focused on improving mental health care globally. These efforts are crucial for addressing the global mental health crisis and ensuring access to mental health services for all. That's all for today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable updates. Thanks for watching.